my name is Timothy Kelly and I am the founder of AreteLabs. This is a tutorial for any teacher interested in leveraging online competition to increase student engagement and learning for any grade or course. The first step toward unlocking our competition experience is to activate an account. Click the Sign Up button at the top of any page on our website and fill out the form that appears. The information required helps to uniquely identify you and the teams you create in the system. You now have an active account. Great. Feel free to upload a photo of yourself and add a brief biographical description, which help introduce you to the coaches of the teams your team will be playing against. The next step is to create a team. Click the Add Team button at the top of the page. The grade level and subject fields, in combination, create the name for your team. The mascot you list factors prominently in the experience, giving your students the feeling of competing for their school, just like they might as athletes. Once you have a team created, fill it with however many students you wish on the Manage Team page. You can add students using their email address. In this case, the system will send the student an email invitation. Alternatively, you can add a student without using an email address, in which case the system generates a unique username and password, which you can then forward along to the student. Feel free to add an image of your mascot on this page as well. To register your team for a Math Madness event, click the Events heading at the top of the page. Select the level you wish your team to participate in, then select the approximate size of your team. When you click Submit, your team will be officially registered in the event and an invoice will automatically be emailed to you. For those teachers interested in creating their own matches, click the Create Match heading at the top of the page and follow the 3 easy steps. On Step 1, choose between dividing your team into mini-teams that compete with each other or challenging another team to a match. On Step 2, select your question set. You can create your own multiple choice and fill in the blank questions, or choose from a library of questions stored in your account. On Step 3, select the date and time of the competition, its length, and your preferred scoring type. You will see the details of any match scheduled for your team on your schedule page, including opponent information. In Math Madness and any intra-district competition series, all matches are arranged for your team by AreteLabs, so your sole responsibility is to set your match time. This is the day and time your team will compete each week. This can be set to any time convenient for your team and can be changed during the week and from week to week. Feel free to enter your team's availability, an optional feature. This helps the system's algorithm match your team with a team of similar time availability so your teams can play live against each other. Otherwise, they simply play non-live. On your results page, you can review a chart of your team's overall performance. Click any date at left and you will see detailed results for that match. Here you can also download a spreadsheet containing statistics about your team's performance, as well as a PDF of the questions and solutions of that match. If you are a Math Madness participant, click the Math Madness link under your profile photo to visit a series of pages where you can review the participating schools, rankings of both schools and individuals, as well as bracket standings. Finally, we turn to the core student experience of answering questions in the match arena. The scoreboard displays the student's individual score as well as team score. As to the former, a student scores 1 point for answering a question correctly. As to the latter, in Math Madness, for example, team score is simply calculated by adding the top 5 player scores together. Note that students are free to scroll through questions, answering them in the order they prefer. And with that, we reach the end of our video. We hope it has been helpful, and we look forward to advancing with you and your students toward Arete. excellence through competition.